Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Sugargoo, Pandabuy, Dhgate and Orientdig. Sugargoo, Pandabuy, Dhgate and Orientdig all help with buying and shipping products from China for different purposes. Sugargoo is great for beginners because the website and app are clean, simple and fully in English. It offers a good balance of features like T-SAN items, inspection photos, fair shipping prices and easy order management. Pandabuy is one of the most popular agents, especially for fashions and replicas. It has a very smooth and modern interface, gives you a lot of clear inspection photos, and its customer support replies quickly. Dhgate is a direct buy marketplace, not a middleman agent like the others. You buy straight from sellers, so it's faster and often cheaper, but quality and trust can vary a lot depending on the seller you choose. Orientdig is a smaller and less known agent, but many people like it for how personal the service feels. It is useful for finding rare or hard to get items, and the team is quite responsive. However, the website isn't the easiest to use, and things like photo update or shipping estimates can take more time. In my opinion, Pandabuy is best for fast service, Sugargoo offers good shipping options, Dhgate is a riskier but direct, and Orientdig is a lesser known alternative. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.